In this video, you will learn how to do captures for the various profiles that you have stored in your AAT using the built-in web interface. This video makes the following assumptions. 1. You are currently running release 4 or later of the AAT firmware. 2. You have watched the segment on AAT website login. 3. You have created one or more profiles that are stored in the AAT's internal memory. 4. You are currently connected to the AAT's website and have logged in and are sitting at the home page. If you have not completed each of these steps, please pause this video, then restart the video when you have completed them. Taking captures can be done through the front keypad on the AAT itself or through the web interface. This video illustrates performing captures through the web interface. To get started, first navigate to the home page by clicking the Profiles/Capture/Report link in the navigation area, and then clicking the desired site button, which is identified by the site name. For this example, choose the ORL-333 site and then perform a capture on the first profile in that site, which is the Alpha 1 sector profile. On the alignment details page for the Alpha sector, scroll down to the bottom of the capture window and click on the button that says Full Capture. This will proceed to the new Capture Live Measurement display screen. This display shows the current measurements being read by the AAT in real time. As the AAT is moved, the resulting values on the screen are updated dynamically, just like they will be when the tool is attached to the antenna and adjustments are being made. Once the adjustments have been made to the antenna, you can select one of the 3 options for performing the actual capture. As you can see, the options are Capture 5 second/5 second, Capture 15 second/15 second, and Capture 30 second/30 second. For this example, choose the Capture 5 second/5 second button, which immediately displays the countdown to capture screen as the AAT starts its 5-second delay and then performs captures over the next 5 seconds. The AAT actually performs 5 captures per second, so in this instance, the AAT will perform a total of 25 captures and then average out the measurements to arrive at the actual values. This allows the AAT to average out slight changes in the measurements over time, which is especially helpful in circumstances where factors such as wind can cause fluctuations in the antenna's measurements. Once the capture is complete, the measurements are displayed on the new capture preview screen, showing the target data alongside the actual data. For this example, notice the azimuth, down tilt, and roll, and then the latitude and longitude as captured by the AAT. The height value was not captured in this example as the laser tape drop was not attached to the AAT. Below the summary screen in the Capture Details window is more detailed information about the capture. You can scroll through this window to review that information, and then when you're ready, select either Reject or Save to complete the current capture. If you are happy with the current results, go ahead and press Save to store the results in the AAT before moving on. Once the data is saved, the Alignment Details screen will be displayed, showing the most recent captured target and actual values for the current antenna. Now that a capture has been made with this profile, you will see 4 new buttons displayed on the bottom of the capture window for this profile: Previous Capture, Next Capture, Report, and Delete. Delete can be used if you decide that you want to remove the current capture, and the Previous Capture and Next Capture buttons are used to scroll between the different captures that have been taken with this profile. The reporting options will be covered in the video on printing reports using the built-in web interface. Note, when performing site antenna audits, the first capture you save will be shown under the first columns for each measurement on the report. This is used to convey how the technician found the antenna before any adjustments have been made. The last capture taken for any profile will be shown under the final columns for each measurement. When used in this manner, the reports provide your customer a clear before and after picture of the capture results taken for the given antenna. As previously mentioned, the other options for performing captures, 1515 and 3030 can be useful in certain situations, such as when additional time is needed to move away from the antenna in order to not have the weight of the climber affect the measurements, specifically tilt, or on days when it's very windy, since large gusts can also cause fluctuations in the antenna's position. By taking more measurements over a longer period of time, you are likely to achieve more accurate results. As you may have guessed, 1515 will cause the AAT to delay for 15 seconds, then capture for 15 seconds. And the 3030 will cause the AAT to delay for 30 seconds and then capture for 30 seconds. These options cause the AAT to take 75 and 150 total measurements respectively, which can really help provide more accurate results in harsher conditions. Once you have completed the captures on the current antenna, you can move to the next sector and repeat the steps to capture the measurements for that antenna, and so on. Remember to power down the AAT before removing it from the mount or antenna. When all sectors are complete, you are ready to print reports that can be handed off to the customer in order to show the results of your work. This concludes the video on performing captures using the AAT's built-in website.